Where is the stick, Mehmet? Okay, can you find out some wood? Yes, here is a wood. Can you find some? Okay, don't go there. Where is your stick? Look at clouds. Fuji, look at clouds. Where are the clouds? On the floor or in the sky? Where are the clouds, Johan? Clouds are in the sky, yes? In the sky. Okay, now can you pick the leaves? Can you pick them? Yeah, can you pick the leaves? Pick them. Pick the leaf. No, not the grass. Not the grass. We are not collecting the grass. We are just take out some grass. Yes, Mehmet, grass. Grass. Take out some. Yes, no. It's not a stick. Yes, is it a stick? Yes. Is it a stick? Yes, Neerav, is it a stick? Yeah. Yes. Is it a stick? You're holding a stick? Yes. Okay. Okay, now can you find out some bugs? Any cockroach? Any ant? Any beetle? Let's find out. We are going on a nature hunt. Going on a nature hunt. Oh my God. Have you seen that bugs? Grass. Where is grass? Where? It's here. Can you find some leaves? Okay, find bunny. Okay, Janataman, lovely. Okay, can you find? Okay, very good, very nice, Ibrahim. Okay, can you find any stick? Any stick over here? Can you find any stick? Can you find any stick? No, it's not stick. It's not a stick. It's leaf. Arba. All the time, all morning. Very good. All. Can you find out clouds? Where are clouds? On the floor or in the sky? On the floor, in the sky. The sky. See? We can see. Can you find out the clouds? Where are the clouds? Clouds. The clouds. Yes. Is there any bug over here? No. Is there any bug over here? Where is Arya? Where? Please have a stop. Chale, up, go inside for leaves. Where are the leaves? Oh, we can see leaves everywhere. On the floor, look. Here. Yeah, there are also leaves. You can find leaves over here on the floor. Can you leaves? Yeah. Can you find out stick? Can you find out stick? Yes, Mama, stick लेके आए. I took it. Show me. Show me, Aisha. Show me. Show me, Zaria. Stick. Correct. Over there. Okay. Can you find sand over there? Okay, come back for the nature hunt. Here for the nature hunt. Okay, can you see leaves? Okay, where are the leaves? Just touch them. Show me where we have so many leaves. Yes. These are leaves. Yes. Okay. Okay, now next. Wow. Wood. Oh my God. Is there any wood, Janali? Show me where is wood. This is wood. Yeah. This is wood. Yes. Is there any? Okay. Thank you. Take over the grass. Can you find grass? Here is a stick. Ooh, here is a stick. Lovely. Okay. Can you find sand? Where? There. Yes, there. Is it sand? Okay, show me where's sand. Show me. Yes, Muhammad. Clouds. Hey, clouds. Where's the clouds? Okay. Rabita, can you find the clouds? Yeah, can you find the clouds? Okay. Rabita, click on clouds.